I'm Dr. Rafat Jamal. I'm a pediatrician attached with BN Clinic 19. Today I am going to inform you or give a small information about worm infestation, or what we say as kirmi ho jana, पेट में केचुआ हो जाना या पेट में कीड़ा हो जाना. It's a small thing. A lot of children gets affected, and the prevalence of worm infestation in India is about 20%. According to WHO, 1/4 of the world population is infested with worms, and it is mostly affecting low income or middle income countries. So हम अब बताएंगे कि ये होता क्या है. Worms are usually helminths, or what we known as platyhelminthes or nematohelminthes, roundworm or flatworms. They affect our abdomen, जो हम बोलते हैं खाने पीने से फीको ओरल रूट से हमारे पेट में जाता है वो. और mostly it's a hygiene issue. But it's not only hygiene, lot of other systems are also involved. It is a multi-system disorder. So clinically what we get, generally these kids, they may have suboptimal growth, or sometimes poor performance in school also because of nutritional deficiencies which they are facing. तो हम ये तो हुआ जनरल सिम्टम्स. देन दे हैव मल्टी सिस्टम इन्वॉल्वमेंट, abdominal systems, पेट में दर्द होना, bloating, sometimes nausea. There are some worms known as whip worms which causes dysentery like symptoms also. So they have cramps and have to be treated ASAP. Then they can have pulmonary symptoms such as in Ascaris lubricoides. They cause pneumonia like symptoms which have to be treated and diagnosed as well. Then some worms are very notorious and they form cysts, and they also can go into our brains and cause neurological symptoms such as seizures and other abnormalities. So we cannot take them lightly. They are affecting our whole system, and we have to take steps to manage them and treat them as well. So first of all तो we go from home to home. We have to maintain hygiene. जब हम खाना बना रहे हैं तो उसको properly wash करें, अपना हाथ भी साफ करें, बच्चों को भी सिखाएं हैंड वॉश करना. फिर साथ में when you're using toilets, hand wash is very important, which many of us, even adults, take it very lightly. Whereas salads, they are a very good source of worms because mostly these worms spread through eggs. तो हमने वो egg लिया, हमें दिखा भी नहीं, वो पेट में चला गया. So salads is also a good source of worms, or what we say, these infestations. Then when we are cooking, the food should be properly cooked. थॉरली कुक, ताकि अंदर तक जो हमारा अगर कुछ अंडा है भी तो वो ख़त्म हो जाए. देन कमिंग टू ट्रीटमेंट प्लान. सो व्हेन वी आर ट्रीटिंग नाउ, व्हाट गवर्नमेंट इज़ डूइंग, दे आर डूइंग dewormings. So February 10th is our day for deworming on a national level, and we all of us should be aware of it, and we should spread awareness for that also. Then on this day we are spreading, and what we are doing normally, we are giving albendazole. Albendazole is a benzimidazole drug which is an anti-helminthic. It is also ovicidal and larvicidal. But there are other drugs also which can be used in other situations. So there are drugs which cause flaccid paralysis such as piperazine, or there are drugs which cause spastic paralysis such as parental pamoate, which is given in special cases. But what we normally do is we give albendazole, which is given in a dose of 400 mg in children more than 2 years of age, as a single dose with fatty meal at bedtime, and then we repeat after 2 weeks. And in small children who are less than 2 years of age, we are giving albendazole in half the dose, 200 mg, as with fatty meals at bedtime, and then we repeat after 2 weeks. Hope all of you will get information from this, and we'll have a safe and better India.